In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an e-way bill in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to successfully create an e-way bill. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your financial activities. From here, look to the left side of the screen, where you'll see a sidebar full of options. You'll need to click on Sales. This is where you manage all your sales-related documents, including invoices. Next, within the Sales section, you'll find an option labeled Invoices. Click on that and it will take you to the page where all your invoices are listed. These are the documents you'll be working with to generate your e-way bill. Now, you'll want to create a new invoice, so go ahead and click on the New Invoice button. This will open a blank invoice form where you can input the necessary details. If you're generating an e-way bill for an existing invoice, you can also edit that invoice to update any details required. When you're editing or creating your invoice, make sure all the details are accurate and complete. Double-check the information like the customer's details, the items being transported, and any other essential fields. This accuracy is crucial for the smooth generation of your e-way bill. Once you've verified all the details on your invoice, it's time to save your work. At the bottom of the invoice page, you'll find the Save and Send button. Click it to save your invoice and send it to the necessary parties. This step is essential as it finalizes the document and makes it ready for e-way bill generation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully generated an e-way bill in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your information accurate is key to ensuring your invoices and e-way bills are processed correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the additional resources available on Zoho's Help Center. Happy invoicing!